then try to boot it back up. What this does is, all right, Night Owl 12 from YouTube says my laptop won't turn on at all and it just stays completely black. Well, there's a quick fix for that. Hold down the power button for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and try it again. Let me clarify. Make sure you unplug the power first, then hold down the power button for 30 seconds, then plug it back in, then try to boot it back up. What this does, it effectively drains any of the power that may be resident inside the battery for that session while you're trying to press the button to turn it back on. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.